Back to my channel everybody, and welcome back to the crypto world as we which are given in your watching Tech It's Simple YouTube channel. And in this crypto related video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer your Solana from Binance into your Phantom wallet. So Binance is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, whereas Phantom is a crypto wallet where you guys can store your crypto, right? So both of these are different, one's a wallet, one's second change. So just keep that in mind. So let me show you guys how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can also get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question you can ask us in the comment, and if you guys want to sign up into Binance and Phantom, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Bandits and Phantom. So let's get into the video without any further ado. And yeah, Solana is also called Sol. The short from Solana is Sol, also known as Sol, so don't get confused. So the first step is come to desktop and you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance, and log into your account. After you do that, you want to go on wallet and you want to go overview over here. And once you do that, basically what you want to do is want to go on withdraw section over here. Once you go on withdraw section, you want to choose your coin which you are withdrawing. In our video is about Solana. So I'm going to choose Solana short from Solana Sol. And I'm going to choose Solana over here. After choosing Solana, the next step is want to open your Phantom wallet. So have you guys can open your Phantom wire. Just click on this puzzle looking icon and click on Phantom. Now if you guys have not yet, installed Phantom on your Chrome, that basically you can do that. So first, go to Chrome Web Store and install this Phantom wallet in your Chrome extension. After I do that, basically after you open this, you just want to copy this over here where it says wallet 1, copy to clipboard. After a copy this, you go over here, paste a wallet address over here real quick. After you paste the wallet address, the Solana network will be chosen automatically. After you do that, you need to enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. After entering the amount of Solana you want to transfer, click on withdraw, and Amanda Solana will be withdrawn from Abundance to your Phantom wallet. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand how you guys can transfer Solana from Bindings to Phantom. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye until then.